So, the 5 best types of LinkedIn content, part 3. Get the fingers right there. I'm Richard Dawson. I'm a digital marketing coach. This is my weekly digital marketing update. So today in part 3 we're going to talk about type number 5, that's polls. A good LinkedIn content plan, in my opinion, has 5 types of content in it, and polls is type number 5. But I think probably you need to dedicate 1 slot to polls. I've covered the other types 1, 2, 3 and 4 in my previous 2 videos, so please check those out. So we're going to talk about polls today. As I say, a little bit controversial. Many people think they're overused. A lot of people think they're used as clickbait, particularly people who post on things that aren't relevant to their area of expertise. But they are, in my opinion, a very valid form of LinkedIn content, and you should use them in your content marketing strategy. These are the reasons, really. Firstly, good for lead generation, no question about that. So people who vote on your polls, who aren't connections of yours, are an opportunity to connect and build a relationship with them. Secondly, they do boost engagement. They're great for reach and engagement. Anyone who's ever posted a poll will know that. Thirdly, they do help you to get to know your audience a little bit more as well. So knowing your audience is absolutely key. And similarly, they're good for research. They're good for market research to see what's popular out there when you give them a few options to choose from. And they also build trust as well. So really, silently, they're building trust because people are viewing your profile and getting familiar with it. And then at a later date, they may engage with you. So they actually do have a very important role. A few quick tips on how to run good LinkedIn polls, because that's obviously important as well. Try to keep the content nice and relevant, and relevant to your area of expertise. So don't post on what's in the news, celebrities, sports, politics, anything like that. Keep the question nice and short and simple. Keep the options short and simple. If you can, include an other please comment option as well, because that encourages engagement. Also, if people do comment, make sure that you like and comment and reply to their comments as well, because that helps to build engagement as well. Use hashtags in the question that you're asking in the poll or in the post that goes with that poll. That's also quite important. And also make sure that you post your poll at the right time of day of the week for LinkedIn. Probably not 10 p.m. on a Sunday evening, but you never know. But probably not then. But maybe experiment a bit with them. So next week I'm going to cover the types of content that didn't make it into the top 5 and why they didn't make it into the top 5. So if you want to grow your business, you want to get better at digital marketing, and you want the right types of content in your digital marketing, why don't you get in touch with me? You can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, and on Twitter. You can also find me if you search Richard Dawson Cheshire Digital. It's really going to help me if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe wherever you see this video. I really appreciate you watching all the way through to the end. And of course, I'll see you next time.